Hello everyone, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, March 29th, 2025, we're taking a look at Litecoin, or LTCUSD. We'll be combining an analysis of the recent news surrounding Litecoin with a detailed look at its price charts. Recent news indicates increased whale activity and potential ETF speculation, so let's dive into how these factors might be affecting LTC's price action. Let's first summarize some of the top Google search results for Litecoin. Forbes mentions Litecoin news related to NYSE parent ICE teaming up with Circle, and that Bitcoin volatility measure fell. Litecoin's Twitter, X, account mentions League Play starting and the Litecoin Summit in late May. Crypto.news says Litecoin has crashed into a bear market but whale activity is up. Cointelegraph mentions a decent chance of LTC reaching $160 by March of this year, so yesterday. Today reported that Litecoin whales unleashed 107 million LTC transactions in 24 hours yesterday. Token Post also notes the whale activity, and analysts consider the current price action as a consolidation phase, potentially leading to a breakout. Now, let's switch over to the chart itself and see how this news aligns with the price action. Here we are on the one-day chart for LTCUSD. Looking at the overall trend since November 2023, we see a period of consolidation followed by a significant uptrend in late February and early March of 2024. However, this bullish momentum seems to have stalled around the $110 level. The recent candle shows a large wick, indicating a significant rejection at higher prices, followed by a smaller candle, suggesting uncertainty. This rejection coincides with the Today and Token Post articles mentioning that Litecoin is still struggling to break the $100 resistance level. This suggests that despite the whale activity, there's still considerable resistance preventing further upward movement. Let's narrow down on this consolidation period, though. I'll adjust the time range to highlight the candles from late February 2024 onward. Now, let's zoom into the 1-hour chart to get a more granular view of this recent price action. We can potentially identify shorter-term trends and key support and resistance levels within this time frame. Looking at the most recent candles, it appears LTC is currently attempting to recover some of its losses after hitting resistance around the $96 level. The bulls appear to be pushing for an attempt at the $96 level again, but it's facing some headwinds. It's important to keep an eye on volume. Increased buying volume on a breakout above $96 would lend more credence to a bullish scenario. Conversely, declining volume on failed attempts could signal further downside. Switching to the 15-minute chart will give us a better view of the short term. Currently, on the 15-minute we can see price is in a small uptrend and consolidating at around 87.4. Since it's still so choppy, the price might need to prove itself by first breaking above 96 again. If positive momentum continues, $100 remains the psychological resistance and a key breakout point. If that breaks, $110 becomes the next level to watch, aligning with previous resistance observed in the daily chart. On the downside, $83 and $78 act as major support levels based on previous price action on the daily chart. In the short term, watch for a break of 96, and a longer term watch for the ETF consideration, but ultimately it depends on Bitcoin.